Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle. I am back with another video. Today I am showing you my new favorite accessory, a $21 Amazon ring light. So let's get into the unboxing. The box was pretty simple. It just says ring light, beauty light on the outside and a few specs on the side. On the inside you get you some instructions which are pretty straightforward and simple. Also you get some details on the entire kit. Now the actual ring light itself is 6.3 inches with an inside diameter of 4.4 inches. Attached is a floating ball head with an adjustable knob, not screw, to pretty much just control the mobility of the ring light after you screw on the tripod. This is how the back of it looks. The 6-foot USB power cord can be plugged into cell phones, computers, any electronic with a USB port. Anywhere you can charge a phone, you can power this ring light, which is great because you can take it anywhere and use it anytime. On the power cord is the remote with these 4 buttons, on, off button of course. The plus and the minus control the dimness, and the button between the plus and the minus controls your temperature, which I'll show you in a minute. This is the phone holder that screws onto the phone tripod to keep our phone in place. Now it does rotate so you can do portrait or landscape mode. It also extends, because at first I was like, this is not going to fit my phone, but it does open up, which you will see, but it does not open up wide enough for tablets and cameras. This is made for smartphones. The longer stand is about 7 inches, and that is our phone tripod. Both tripods are made out of steel, which I like because they're more stable. So to adjust your height, you would widen the legs or close the legs up, whichever you like to do. Now, if you like to vlog on your phone, you can use either of these as phone stabilizers. The smaller tripod is for our ring light, and that is about a little bit over 5 inches, I would say. Now I'm just going to put this thing together. It's so simple. I was only reading the instructions because I didn't know if I was putting the right tripod on the ring light, but it's definitely the shorter one. You don't need the instructions, I'm telling you, it's the shorter one. I'm tightening up the ball head just to show you that when it's really tight, it ain't gonna move. And when it's a little bit loose, you get a little bit of mobility, but it's up for you to decide how you like it. And this is how it looks once it's completely screwed on. I screwed on the phone holder, and then it was time to clip on my phone. This is when I realized that this opened up so my phone could fit. Now I do have a case on my phone. The case didn't fit good. I didn't like how it felt. It was kind of scaring me, so I just went ahead and took it off. The phone holder is nice and snug. I definitely don't think I'm going to lose my phone on it, but it was a little bit too snug for the case, so I am glad that I took it off because I really think it would have bust open if I didn't. Now you can face the camera out towards you like I have it, or you can turn it around. Up to you. I just always like to do front facing things because I like to see myself. Now to power this thing, I am going to plug it into my laptop and simply turn it on with the remote. Off. You have to press on for all the other buttons to work. I just wanted to see. So I'm going to turn it back on, and then I'm going to put the dimness as low as it possibly can go, which this does go through 10 levels of dimness. And then I'm changing the temperature. So there's 3 temperatures: warm, cool, and then cool, warm. And now I'm going to turn up the brightness. And this is as bright as it goes. Now I do have my ring light on, and I'll show you what it looks like without my ring light. I'm going to turn up the brightness as high as it goes. Now we have cool, warm, and my favorite, which is cool warm. Now you do want to be careful with plugging this into electronics because it will drain them. It's always better to use a direct source of power like a wall adapter. So I have my ring light and my tripod set up. Now I'm going to cut off my big ring light. I'm going to turn Snapchat on and lock it into place. Turn on the light. This is the lowest, coolest setting. Now let's brighten us up. This isn't even all the way. I'm gonna go a little bit more. Now let's go back down without a little bright. And let's change the temperature. This is cool and this is warm. Now this is cool warm, which is where I would like to be, but a little bit lower. Keep in mind you will need to manually move the legs on the tripod to control the angles of your videos and pictures. That's the only con I have about this tripod. Sometimes it's annoying because you want it already to be done for you, but for $21 you really can't complain when you think about the quality of your pictures and your videos, and then all the control you have over your dimness and your temperature. It's not too hot, it's not too bright, not to the point where it's overpowering. It's like the perfect amount of punch and a lightweight small ring light. I use it to watch videos, movies, take pictures, video chat, of course Snapchat. I'm gonna leave my Snapchat here so you guys can follow me on Snapchat. It's like the perfect mini studio setup, great for traveling. Usually I travel with my big ring light, which can definitely be a hassle, so I'm really excited about this. I have yet to go live, but I do plan to go live now that I got this. And not to mention, I looked up the refund policy. You have 45 days to send it back, say I want my money back, or ask for something to be replaced. I hate when I can't return something. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I'll leave the link in my description so you can check it out. Let me know what you think about it. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Snapchat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, or you'll see me in my next video. But this love gets better every day. We get all excited inside, and I still